Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will tell you about the best TRX mining website. So link in the description, click on it. First of all, enter your email address, enter your login password, set your security password with the invite code, and after filling all the details click on sign up. So wait, let me sign up. After signing into the website, you will see this type of information about the company, latest announcement from the company, and this all about this. And here you can see 10,000 TRX welcome bonus. So this is the best part of that. After scrolling down, here you can see deposit, withdrawal, share, team, app, and logo section. This is the wallet and promotion. This is the join to withdraw million, and this is the platform accumulate data and membership. And this is about the company. Cloud mining offered a potential cost-effective way of mining for Bitcoin, TRX, and other cryptocurrencies. And this is the company's global partner: WazirX, CoinDCX, JNS Mining, CoinMint, Betment, Binance. After click on a trading section, here you can see the cloud mining is working. I click on this. Here you can see the TRX deposit quantity VIP 1 2 3 5 6 7, and this is the deposit quantity. Here you can see this is the income and daily rebate you can see here. And I click on refer and earn section. Here you can see invite rule. So I click on invite rule. Here you can see invite rule VIP 1 level 1 2 3 4 5 6 level 1 3 and this, and deposit rate and trading rebate. So this is the best thing about that. Here you can refer and earn. If one of your friend or family register with the link, you will earn some reward. So this is the best part. So this is the deposit and withdrawal section. I will explain later. Click on team section. You can see how many people are joined with your link. So this is the best part of that. I click on finance record. Here you can see all income and gains are here. This is the transfer to basic account. You can transfer your basic account into promotion account. You can also download notification app and all about this. Now I will tell you how to deposit. I click on deposit. Here you can see deposit copy address, and the minimum deposit amount is 5 TRX. So please do not recharge other unknown TRX at it will record it about 5 to 10 try. If you not have the minimum deposit 5 TRX. Now I copy this address, go to my wallet. So wait. After that I click on Tron, I click on send. Here I fill the address and here I fill the amount. I click on continue. So after that I click on continue. It takes only 5 to 10 seconds to complete the payment. So within 5 to 10 seconds my transaction will be completed. So wait for the transaction completion. So wait. So within 5 to 10 seconds, so here you can see my transaction is completed. Now I go back to the website back. After that I click on recharge completed. After clicking on recharge completed, the submit is successful. So within 5 to 10 seconds my balance will be updated. So wait. So here you can see guys, my balance is updated. I will show you the finance record. Here you can see 5 TRX is completed. Now I will tell you how to withdraw. I click on withdrawal. Here the daily limit 0.30. Here I enter the address, my page. Here I enter the security password. I click on confirm. So here you can see the here you can finance record here this and this. So I explain all in detail: sharing, deposit, trading, home. So that's all about the video. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.